Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a little glimpse in my life. If Amelia is still asleep like she is today, I usually start off by making her some breakfast. But if she wakes up when I wake up, then I usually breastfeed her and then go ahead and get her breakfast started. So today I decided to make some oatmeal. I made a good amount for the both of us since I was also going to be eating some. My husband doesn't like oatmeal, so I just made enough for Amelia and I. So I got a little bit carried away and poured the oats before boiling the milk. I always boil the milk first and then stir in the oats. But today I was out of it and I put the milk and the oats in all at once. So once I did that, I actually just let it boil over and stir until it got thick. I cook the oats until it gets a nice thick consistency. I find it easier for her to eat it like this, just because she can grab it and eat it on her own. And then once it is looking thick, it'll look like this. And then I'll add some cinnamon and some applesauce that her dad makes. The applesauce is literally just boiled apples that he blends, and it just adds a bit of sweetness to it. And then she loves cinnamon, so I always add cinnamon. And this combination is really good, and she actually finishes it when I do try this combination for her. So I definitely recommend. For lunch, I am making spaghetti with a little bit of help from my mom because I wanted to learn how she makes hers. I know everyone says this, but my mom makes the best spaghetti, and so I definitely wanted to know how to make it for Mila. So we are starting off by adding the beef to a hot pan with oil, and then I added some cumin and some ground pepper, and then I also added in a bay leaf. And then I try to just cover it so that it helps cook faster, but I'll occasionally stir from time to time. And then you also want to add some oregano. I forgot to add that, so I'm just adding it in now. We are making the sauce homemade. My mom does not use it from the jar, which I definitely prefer. I don't really like spaghetti that's made from the jar. So we're just starting off by having a few carrots in there. I think we put about 4 or 5. So I just peeled and chopped those and put that in the blender. And then here my mom is cutting the tomatoes in half and taking out all the seeds from the inside. And she cut about 2 tomatoes, and then we just put a little bit of bell pepper, rinse that, made sure that we took out all the seeds, and then put that into the blender, and then pretty much just blended everything together and added a little bit of water too. Once the beef is colored like that, I just added a spoonful of garlic, and then we add in the sauce, and all you want to do is stir everything together, cover, and then just wait till it boils. And then that is it for the sauce. It's done. Now we're just going to move on to the pasta. So I had the water boiling while I was cooking everything, and then I added a few bay leaves and a little bit of butter. And then this is a small pan for Amelia because I'm making her a different type of pasta. My mom likes to cut her spaghetti in half like that. I don't know if everyone does that, but she does. And then this is me just separating a bit of sauce for Amelia, just because I do add turmeric and some salt to the sauce, which I don't want to add in hers. And then this is the pasta I am using for her, brown rice quinoa from Trader Joe's. It's actually pretty good. I did try some. So if you're trying to look for a healthier version of pasta, I definitely would choose that one. And then once the pasta is ready, your spaghetti is ready. Later that day, we went to Zoomars, which is a small zoo where you can feed the animals. I really enjoyed it and liked it and would definitely go again. Amelia enjoyed it more from afar than up close and personal with the animals, as you'll see later when she gets close to a guinea pig. It was her first experience seeing other animals other than a dog, so it was understandable, but I would definitely want to go again so she gets more comfortable. You're okay. My husband was scared of feeding a few of the animals, so he would feed them from afar, as you'll see in this clip. The only one I was actually scared of feeding was this big cow. My sister did, but I didn't. I did not feel comfortable, but to each their own. Mila's cheeks got all rosy just because it was so hot this day, but overall we had a really good experience and I would definitely come back with her. After this we did just go out to eat, but after that I wanted something sweet, so I decided to make some mochi cake. This is from Trader Joe's. I just picked it up because I thought it was interesting and it turned out really good, so I'm sad that I didn't buy more because I didn't know it was a seasonal item and now they don't have it, but when they restock I'm definitely gonna buy more than one box. I followed the instructions on the box and it came out looking so good. I hope you enjoy this video and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos.